my friends, welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious and easy pineapple jello. Nice and creamy that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this delicious and creamy pineapple jello, these are my ingredients. We're gonna need cooking spray, 1 little package of velvety flavor of pineapple, tablespoon of unsweetened gelatin, 1 cream cheese, and of course, a mold. This is everything you need to enjoy a delicious and creamy pineapple jello. So let's get started. First thing is first, this mold is made of silicone. So I am going to add a little bit of the baking spray right on top of it, and then I am going to help myself with a napkin. I am going to fold it, I am going to clean the outside, and then make sure that all those little crevices are covered with the oil. This is very important when you're using and you're making your jellos in this kind of silicone mold. You want to make sure that you add a plate on the bottom. Add a plate on the bottom, cover every little crevices with the oil, and then we're going to continue with the cream cheese. I have a cream cheese here, a Philadelphia cream cheese that I took out of the refrigerator 1 hour before making this dessert. Yes, you want to make sure that it's at room temperature. You don't want it cold, really cold. Now I am ready to show you what kind of jello I am using. I am using velvety. This jello it's orange flavor, but to this I am going to add half a tablespoon of unsweetened, unflavored gelatin. I'm going to mix it very well, incorporate it really well into the velvety jello. Once this is done, we are ready. I am going to be using 3 cups of boiling water. You want to make sure that it's boiling water from your kettle. You start adding the jello mixture. You're going to mix for about 2 minutes. You want to make sure that you mix it very well and everything dissolves into the hot water. Yes, this part is important because if you just mix for a little bit and put it aside and then add it to the Philadelphia cream, it's gonna get lumpy, and that's exactly what you don't want. So right here, you wanna mix very well until you see that it's really incorporated into the hot water. And this is really hot water from the kettle. Now, let me show you. The silicone mold needs to be nice and greased from the inside, every crevices. You have already the jello in 3 cups of water, very hot water, and your Philadelphia cream. And now, this is very easy to prepare. I'm going to add the 1 Philadelphia cream cheese into the blender. I'm going to add the 3 cups of the mixture of the jello. And now I am ready to blend away. Let me tell you, this is a very easy recipe. Anybody could do it. And if you have a beautiful mold, well, use that one. So you don't need to add too much decoration. Once it's really blended, and you see that the jello really incorporated into the cream cheese, then you are ready to pour into your mold. Remember, when you're using silicone molds, make sure that you add a plate on the bottom so that it's more stable. It's not wiggling around and it's nice and firm, just like this. And if you have leftovers, you could add it to a cup or 2 cups. And that's exactly what I did. I had leftovers. I put it in 2 little cups individual. And now, of course, before taking it to the refrigerator, you want to add and cover with saran wrap. This part is important because you don't want the Jello to absorb the odors, the flavors of the refrigerator. You want to make sure that you add the plastic film right on the top and then take it to your refrigerator for about 4 to 5 hours, or even you could leave it overnight. Look at this. That's exactly how you're going to put them in your refrigerator. After the 4 hours, well, the Jello is ready, and I am ready to show you how they look. Of course, look at the little ones. They're nice and firm. Look at the separation of the Jello. I'm going to show it to you. You could see the bottom portion nice and clear and the top portion nice and creamy. And now I am ready to reveal how this is going to look. Look at this. Be very careful when you flip it over, and then careful releasing the Jello from the mold. Look how beautiful this looks. This Jello always comes out so beautiful and so delicious. You could see the top nice and clear with the yellow nice and clear, and the bottom nice and creamy. Look how beautiful this came out. Of course, remember always adding the non-stick oil to your molds. Look how beautiful this looks. If you want to add decoration, go ahead. You could add some whipped cream on the top, some slices of pineapple or strawberries. You decide. But this Jello looks so beautiful just as is. Of course, for the presentation, I am going to add a little raspberry right on the top. But look how beautiful this looks. If you got to this part of the video and you like and you love this recipe, like, subscribe, and share, and be part of Cooking with Gloria. Only with your help, Cooking with Gloria will continue growing. Thank you so much for being here and for being part of my family. Let me show you how creamy this Jello came out. Yes, nice and creamy, really fluffy. My mouth is watering. I can't wait to enjoy. Look at this. Look how creamy this is. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Amazing pineapple jello, creamy, delicious, and let's see how this came out. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. So creamy. The flavor of the pineapple, just amazing. And as you could see, the bottom portion is nice and clear and the top nice and creamy. Excuse me. Amazing. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say, I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.